Good morning. Well, good afternoon.
We are gonna go ride some dirt bikes.
I'm actually really scared.
It's gonna be fun. We're gonna teach Katie how to ride a dirt bike.
Am I gonna like this?
Yeah.
I hope you guys are ready to laugh. I'm just scared. I don't know what to expect.
Guys, we got Katie all kitted up right now. She's ready to go. And we're just teaching her how to do this. So, you want to let the clutch out slowly with the throttle. There you go. Yeah, see? Too much. It's okay. I know. So just a little bit and just let the throttle out slowly. Or the clutch out slowly.
I just don't want to go anywhere.
That's okay. Just literally go in a straight line. Just a little bit. It's okay. Don't let it scare you. It's okay. Yeah, keep going.
I had no idea this was so hard. I can't believe how hard it is. I have so much more respect for you now.
Good. Okay. All right. Woo! Feet up on the pegs. Oh no!
I even switched gears!
I know, I saw.
Gosh, this is so much fun.
Good job. She has really figured it out now, boys and girls. I think so. Did you have it in second?
Third.
Oh yeah, you're probably not going fast enough to put it in third.
Okay.
That's why. The clutch, just like let it out really slow. And you can, you'll find that grab point and then you should be good. She's awesome, guys. I love her so much.
That was so much fun. I enjoyed that so much.
Me too. It was fun teaching her.
I feel bad that Matt didn't really ride or do anything or even gear up, but it was so much fun. Thank you so much for taking me. I actually had so much fun. I am so excited for Matt to take me on a next dirt back, an actual ride. This time he just kind of
Well, it's because this is the first time going out, right? So just learn the ropes, learn the gears, how they work, the clutch, all of that stuff.
Yeah, that's important.
It's all important to learn how to do that. And then we can go on a little trail after.
A little bit later now. We just went to Matt's house to have some dinner, and now we are at our friend Katie's house, but she's not here. Em's here. She's babysitting. Jax, this is Katie's dog. He hates me.
Jaxie, Jax, where's Grandma? Where's Grandma? Where's Grandma? Where's Grandpa?
Hey Katie, I'm in your pantry. We're talking about why the controversial moment that was brought up in yesterday's vlog.
Yeah.
Would people comment actually?
Yeah, someone did comment, like, why doesn't Matt like chocolate? Why don't you like
What?
chocolate Timbits?
So mad.
Wasn't that Darren?
Why don't you like chocolate?
I like the jelly ones too.
Because
You like jelly?
No.
Yeah.
I used to ask for no jelly. I didn't like jelly, but now I like
I
it.
love the jelly ones.
Me too.
Apple fritter. I
just
gotta
like
try
I
that.
just like that they have powdered sugar on
Yeah, me too, but I don't like the jelly inside.
them. No?
Why don't you? Yeah, I agree, Rochelle. Why don't
Wouldn't it
you?
be so cool if they had vanilla dipped Timbits?
All around
Sprinkles
them?
like on the inside or
Because then
something
I feel
too?
like it would just get everywhere.
Yeah.
You know,
That's a good
they're like,
point.
There's
I'm like,
probably a reason because that seems really obvious.
Or just even like, even if they sprinkles weren't all the way around, if they just dipped one end and then sprinkles on one
yeah,
end,
but then they'd have to like arrange the Timbits so that they're all facing like up.
probably.
Oh, it was so good. I
get to see
loved
it on
it.
tomorrow's
Did
vlog.
you go? You?
Yeah,
For the
like he
first
took
time
me
she's
for
ever
the
been.
first time.
You
And-
actually did it?
Yeah.
Uphill
Well, I
since-
just no,
No.
like I just
Taught her how to ride
like
in the field.
first was riding around a field.
Oh.
Next time is the
Next
full
time
ride.
we'll go for the full
Sure.
ride.
But yeah,
Good
it was
for you.
so.
I would be way too scared to do that.
Thanks, Rochelle. It's lots of fun though. Like I actually had so much fun, and I was a quick little learner, don't you think?
Got it up in like third gear.
And I was like,
Jesus.
Now you have to start going on
now
the
I have
hills.
to start going on the ride. But we also got like pulled over by a park ranger.
Really?
We parked where we weren't supposed to.
Oh.